Hi, welcome back to Pete's Plastic Playground. On location this time at Church Street Models in Basingstoke. Just have a little look round. And there were plenty of kits, mainly Airfix to choose from. There were some kits from other manufacturers. There's a Rebel Land Rover, but we mainly focused on the Airfix kits that were available. Plenty of starter kits on hangers for newcomers to the hobby, and a great selection of these Corgi die-cast aircraft as well. They'd all been unboxed and put on display, and there was masses of them. As you can see, this shop's great for model railways and also for die-cast cars. Look, there's a massive selection of Oxford die-casts. There's an Italeri kit there, some vintage classic ships, and some more Airfix on the top shelf. The people in there were very, very helpful and very, very welcoming. And although the layout is a little bit haphazard, it does encourage you to have a good look round at what they've got in there. The prices were pretty keen, and I don't think I was charged for a shopping bag. I did make a purchase, and I didn't have to pay for a carrier bag, I don't think. I can't remember. Or if I did, it was only a few pence. And yeah, so there are just piles of kits for you to sort of mooch through in your own time, really. I suppose there must have been 100 kits there available in piles, various piles to look around at. And there's the lovely Gannet up in the corner and a 135 tank. Plenty of consumables available, glue and all sorts. And plenty of Jerry Anderson as well. We're outside the shop looking in the window now. And that's where I saw the Chinook that I brought. So it's a good display. The proprietor said that he was moving more away from railways onto plastic models these days. So that was a very nice visit to Church Street Models in Basingstoke this afternoon. We were welcomed warmly by both of the people in the shop. And I did make a purchase, which is here. So another addition to the stash, and we'll have a look at that when we're back inside at Pete's Plastic Playground. So from Joe and I on location in Basingstoke, bye for now, and we'll see you soon.